The day you start in market thinking that now everything is fine, FIS started slowly and gradually buying and things are settled down. Now we have recorded almost 700, 800 points from the bottom which we had. But again, today what happened? 380 points Nifty down, again gone below 24,000. But why market is not moving? What are the reasons behind it? Let us talk in detail, because these are the reasons now which is actually holding market a lot. No, if you see the situation is not so bad currently in the market, but somehow no, all the market participants are not so convinced that okay, things are settled down. And let us talk about that in detail. By the way, guys, if you have any questions and all that, you can share it here in the no comment box. So we'll ensure that no, it has been taken care of. So let us talk about now what are the various reasons. So first of all, guys, one is the first reason why the market is not going up is the FI selling, rentless FI selling, which we had over the years. No, sorry, over last 3 4 months, and almost 38 session we had from last three session, a good positive buy. One of the 10,000 crores and all that buy was happened because of the MSCI change. Okay, so agar wo bhi nikal dete, yesterday we had a positive change where FI bought. Today I don't know the data, the day, not the time I am reporting, I'm recording this video. But no, somehow FI stands as in, but it is not completely changed. Still, we are not sure that FI is going to come back, no, in a big way. And that is what is holding market currently. कभी भी वापस selling शुरू हो सकती है, and there are many reasons behind that. One is of course US. So if you talk about no US and all that, we'll talk about the another point. But other reason which I feel that no, why market is still waiting is the Union Budget 2024, which is coming after 2 to 3 months. In February we have a budget, so almost 2 months ही बाकी है. Now lot of expectation will be there from the government. Now whatever election period gone, everyone was thinking that चलो यार क्या होगा, यहाँ से वहाँ कुछ हो गया हरियाणा महाराष्ट्र में. But the good thing is it has been much more positive for the BJP coalition government. So hopefully in budget also they'll come up with the positive stance, and no, they'll do complete justice to the budget. That is what everyone is thinking. But still everyone is still wait and watch mode, because still no, you have that type of dilemma that कुछ और कुछ आ गया तो बजट में क्या होगा. And that is what is also holding currently the market. Of course, there are other factors also, but yes, slowly and gradually now budget point will come into picture, because it's almost 2 months away from that. अभी कोई election नहीं है ना, all that thing is over. एंड दिसंबर में भी कुछ आता नहीं है. यस, एफआई सेलिंग नॉर्मली दिसंबर में ज्यादा होती है, but hopefully they already sold too much, so hopefully there the pressure will be less. But yes, union budget. The third point is strong US dollar. Why strong US dollar? Because money is flowing back to US. Everyone was thinking money is going to China and all other countries like Japan, but no, money is going back to US, because US economy is going stronger and stronger. And also after Trump coming in the power, believe me guys, everyone is going gungo for the US economy. Everyone is thinking that boss, now US is going to go up like anything, and that is why the money is going back. And when you have a strong US dollar, guys, if the US dollar goes stronger and stronger against the other countries, no, your no, they will go back, because आपको वो करेंसी का भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है ना. यूएसडी आईएनआर, आईएनआर इज गेटिंग वीकर एंड वीकर. सो इवन इफ दे गेन, and there if there even 3 4% of USD dollar getting stronger, it will impact their returns. And that is the fear most of the FI must be having, and they are going back, and their economies, believe me, is doing much better. Of course our economy is also okay. The last quarter was not so great, but yes, there as a result of things are flowing there again, thinking that no, that they are going to get much better return than other economies. And that's why you can see almost 1,60,000 crore rupees of selling already done by FIs in last 38 session. अभी देखते हैं, still the month is December month is pending, but I think this year we'll have the highest level of selling by FI. So let's see, hopefully things will be settled down. But yes, strong US dollar is against Indian market now, because at the end money will flow there. Other is geopolitical tension. Now you may say it's a positive thing, no, that basically Lebanon and Israel thing is now settled down, and they had done a ceasefire. but understand one thing, that is already discounted 3 days ago. तो अभी कोई ऐसा कोई जियोपॉलिटिकल क्राइसिस नहीं है, करेक्ट। अभी जो क्राइसिस है वो रशिया और यूक्रेन का है ना। होपफुली in future also Russia Ukraine also resolution may come, it's not been finalized, but agar aa gaya that will be a big positive. And that's why you can see the crude oil is still no is going down, no, almost $72 per barrel already crude oil reached. And talks are going on between Russia and Ukraine that war may stop in near term. When we don't know, it's been almost been 2 years. But yes, agar wo hua, then it will be a very very big positive. But I think Israel Lebanon crisis anyways was not having a big impact. Other than the impact was that because of that crisis the oil was going up. Now because that crisis is now settled down, as the agreement is already signed by Israel, I think oil may remain lower. And believe me, if Russia Ukraine crisis gets settled now, the oil may go to $60 per barrel, then it will be a very very big positive for India. So yes, already this geopolitical tension has been discounted. And the last and main important point is wait and watch for the next quarterly results. See guys, the talk in the town is that the first half of our no this year was there was no capex, almost capex, public's capex or government capex was down by almost 17%. Now the talk is going on that in the second half there will be a good capex acceleration, because now the Maharashtra election is out and Haryana election is out, and both are there in the BJP first. So BJP before the budget may no increase the deployment on the capex front and all that, which will spur the economy, which will help the economy, correct. तो ये बातें चली, and it is been said that next 1 or 2 quarter will be much much better. Still market participants are not believing that story. Still they feel that boss, unless results come, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट टू मच. आप देख रहे हो कि जिस तरह से बाइंग हो रही है, आ रही है, जा रही है, आ रही जा रही, नॉट अ कन्विंसिंग बाइंग. DII actually selling against FII when they are buying. So keep this point in mind that everything is not been settled out currently. Yes, some of the pockets are recovering, like you can say the defense, public sector, all that, because they were beaten so much. Now 40-50% were down, and suddenly there is a pullback rally coming there. Okay, so that is one of the reason why they are coming up. But yes, overall still wait and watch is then everyone is still not convinced. Now that is the time now you have to think about investing. Okay, now we have spoken about now what are the things and negative point, but let us talk about some of the positive points also in currently in the market. If you see, the HDFC already crossed the market cap of 14 lakh crore for the first time ever, almost 5% up, and this is the highest level which HDFC Bank has reached. Finally the big daddy is coming up, and if the big daddy is coming up, तो क्या है ना, काफी बैंकिंग सेक्टर ऑल्सो नॉर्मली कम्स अप. ओके, एंड दैट इज अ बिग पॉजिटिव बिकॉज HDFC बैंक इज अ बिग डैडी. And overall if the HDFC Bank is performing, and no, and now you may say but Tapan, MSCI allocation is happening in HDFC Bank, that's why it is going up. Yes, one of the reason is that, but then also I think if you see the last 1 year, the HDFC Bank already recovered by 25%, which is a very very good recovery. So this is one of the positive from the bank index point of view. And guys, financials is almost 33 to 35% of our Nifty. So you cannot ignore this area, is this segment. And this is one of the point on which you have to give. And this is, I think, a big positive for the banking segment. Another point is Adani, whatever happened, saga happened, but it's not going to directly impact the foreign faith in India. Okay, FII इसलिए क्योंकि अदानी सागा इसलिए FII is not going to invest in, no, that is not going to happen. Yes, bribery cases there, things are going on again. Yesterday if you see, the Adani stocks were up by 10% after, no, that judge told that no, Adani are not directly, that is Gautam Adani and Sagar Adani are not directly related to that case. और सब बहुत सारी चीजें बात हो गई है. But yes, some of the stocks already recovered. So good thing is that thing is settled down now. जो एक हर्ट हो रहा था, इट वाज आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर. ओके, सडनली वो इवेंट आ गया, नो वन वाज प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. And when that Adani saga happened the last week only, that is where the bottom form for the Nifty. Okay, like 33 23,400 or 500 odd. Okay, again फिर उसके बाद 700 800 पॉइंट्स की रैली आई. Now again we are going down. The good thing is that Adani no saga is not now a big issue for the market. I think let's see what the case result will be there. Some of the stock you should avoid, like Adani Energy and all that. No, Adani Green and all that directly correlated with this no case. But otherwise, things are much settled for Adani. That is a good news for market overall. And the third and last point, which I already told you, but capex cycle which is going to now again start. I think that will be the biggest positive point, because जब public government का पैसा आता है ना, government is going to normally government capital will actually pull up the complete economy, and that money spread across the sectors. Okay, and that is going to help us, and that is why now I am also optimistic about next 2 quarter. Now in between all this fall is happening and all that, ये सब तो चलता रहेगा. देखो ये हम लोग रोक नहीं पाएंगे, ये सब तो चलता रहेगा. But the main thing is we have to understand के hopefully things will be settled from here, and from that perspective you have to think about investing in India. Okay, in the Indian stock market. And of course nothing wrong in selecting the stock which are already down and out. See, this is the time no where you have to select again. अभी गिरा है, अब देखते हैं कल क्या होगा. Again no, the US market is closed because of Black Friday, so we have to see what the situation will be. But hopefully I think now the I think US market is directly going to open on yeah, maybe Friday. नहीं, Friday भी नहीं होगा ना. So mostly Monday. I don't know the exactly when they are going to, but we have to see when it is going to happen. But overall I think if this market is still going down, no, as I used to say, no, take this opportunity with a hope that next few quarter result will be much better. So that is what I wanted to tell you, and no, just to give you in detail of what is happening in the market. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, do like it and share it to everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, put it in the chat box. By the way, our Black Friday offer is going on. You can click the link, check our no offer, and also, guys, if you want, you can attend our masterclass also. So thank you very much for attending, guys, and I will see you soon next time. Bye bye.